Man, that was close. Do you see that? I wish I had a dash cam. All right, folks. Today we are going to install a dash cam on my 1500 Limited. I went ahead and purchased it in Amazon, and this is specifically for 1500 Limiteds that have the same rear view mirror encasing. It's a fit cam. Let's go ahead and open it so we can show you. It's actually well capped. Oh, check it out. How cool is this?
And no, it's not a Darth Vader helmet.
All right, folks, let's get to it. Let's install it and see how it works. All right, folks, this is what comes in the box. The camera itself with the housing included that looks OEM. Instructions, a support card, trim tool that I'm not going to be using. I'm going to be using my trim tools, and once we get to it, you'll realize why. And the harness that's going to be plugged in to the wiring in the car. All right, let's get to it. All right, what we need to do is take the cover housing, this whole thing, out so we can replace it with a dash cam. I mean, there's many different ways to do it. I don't think there's one specific way. I already kind of pulled this one out, which is the front piece. And this is the same piece that actually comes with the dash cam, a different one, but very similar. Now we need to pry this down so we can take this piece out. And let me see if I can just move the seat up. If I can just pull it from here. You have to be careful though, doing this. Let's just do it. Just like that. Actually, it came out very easy, to be honest with you. And this pick helps. So I did it from here, right here, from this edge and this edge. If you pull this part and this part down, it actually comes down easy. And as you can see, it's very similar, if not identical, to the dash cam. This is where the retainer clips or fasteners go that attaches the housing. And you can see them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want this to come easier and hopefully without breaking, try to take the two top retainers or pull the two top retainers down, and once you do that, the ones in the bottom, they come out easier. Okay, now let's plug in the dash cam. Okay, this is where we are going to plug it in right here. So you just take this out and then plug that into here. Done. And then plug this one into here. Done. You heard the clicks, right? And this is going to be plugged into the dash cam. And the plug installation is done. I'm telling you, this was truly a plug and play, which I'm so happy about. This is awesome. All right, so let's bring the dash cam and plug it in. All right, this is where we're going to plug in the dash cam right here to here. And the installation is done. And then we just set up the housing of this, which is going to be fitting it in like this. So let's install this first, plug it in, and then install the housing. And then okay, the housing is in and secure. Now we need to put the last part, which is this right here. And I'm going blind, I can't really see it. Maybe I should open the sunroof and just doing it standing up. And there you go. There you have it, folks. Check it out. This looks OEM. it actually looks like it came with the truck. It doesn't look like an aftermarket. This was a great job, plug and play job. Highly recommend, at least the way it looks. Now we're going to install the application and see how it works. All right, folks, we are testing the camera and the features that the camera has. There's a lot to mention, and it would be a long video if we mention every single one of them. But it pretty much fits with any of the best cameras out there for the dash cam. And this one is specifically built for the Ram 1500 Limited, the one that has the camera rear view mirror. They have different options. You can check it out in Amazon. All right, so this camera is good to catch pedestrians when they're not looking at you. All right, folks, I went ahead and downloaded the app. You can download it from Google or the Apple Store. Very simple app, something that anyone can actually work with it. If you need some instructions, there is support, and there's actually an instruction book to go ahead and look through it, but it's very simple to do. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Till next video.